Fraud is becoming a growing concern in our society, affecting individuals, businesses, and even entire economies. How do you spot fraud? Keep an eye for these red flags. First-time customers using free email address or disposable email address. Web visitors using anonymous proxy or VPN. Bigger than average order amounts. Large quantity of the same product. Shipping orders to multiple locations. Shipping address and billing address are not the same. Several credit cards used from the same IP address. Many transactions in a short period of time. Blacklisted IP address, email address, credit card or device. What to do next after discovering fraud? Firstly, secure the evidence. Next, report the fraud. Then, investigate the fraud. After that, notify the affected parties. Following that, take corrective action. Lastly, monitor for future fraud. There are few steps that can be taken to help mitigate future fraud and losses. Educate yourself and your employees by providing training and resources to identify fraudulent activities. Implement robust security measures like firewalls to protect your systems and data from cyber attacks. Monitor financial transactions like bank statements and credit card bills for any suspicious transactions. Verify customers, vendors or employees' identities and credentials to prevent unauthorized access to sensitive information. Conduct background checks on potential employees, vendors, and partners to identify any red flags or potential risks. Learn more at FraudLabsPro.com.